Look what we have here today, folks. It's a 1985 K10 four-wheel drive short box square body truck. Bit of a pro touring, as a 6-liter motor, overdrive trans, custom gauges, billet wheels. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 collector cars and vehicles, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Scan the QR code that's going to be on the screen at any time, and that will bring you directly to this truck. But for right now, join me and let's pretend like we're going for a spin. So yeah, this is a pretty cool truck. The body is absolutely phenomenal. If you can catch down the side of it, is absolutely straight. The hood is straight. I don't see any rust. I don't see any damage. This is all looking real nice. Look at my reflection. It's behind the tire there. It's like an absolute mirror. Do you see any ripple or imperfection? It is absolutely like glass. Jams are done up. Door shuts. Yeah, give it a little slant. It's all new weather strips. All this is clean. Look at the cab corner, the bottom here, the box. All looking real nice. There's a fuel door on each side. Again, look at our reflection. It's a mirror, an absolute mirror. The moldings, the belt line, it looks like it's all been replaced. Bumper looks to be real good, original, shiny chrome, but not. It might not be original, but it's not brand new. This panel back here at the big bold Chevrolet, that's been replaced. Has a hitch receiver. And same thing on this side here. It's just an absolute mirror. I mean, look how straight it is. The trim has been replaced. Got dual fuel doors. You see the jams are nice. Bottom of the door is clean. The weather strip is replaced. There is a bubble right there, like the size of my pinky nail. One bubble right there. All the rest of this is looking slick. Again, right down to the bottom. Got some custom emblem here. Now let's talk about the tires and wheels. They're actually new. There's still nubs on the tread of the tire. Those are 20-inch billet wheels. It's supposed to look like the original rally style wheel. Yokohama tires. And then up front, like the back bumper, the front bumper, probably original. It's probably a 7 out of 10. Got the big bumper guards, got a little front spoiler there. Grill's in very good shape. A little custom detail on the bow tie here. Well, the glass looks to be in real nice shape. Tinted glass, has a sliding rear window. All right, let's open it up. All right, the tailgate handle is all the way on the inside in the middle there. And look at this, it's a real clean box, and they did a professional bed liner spray-in job here, so you can use this. You can throw stuff back here, you're not gonna hurt anything. And again, like I pointed out earlier, it's got the sliding back window, and it's also got the light up on top, cargo light. So I like the plaid upholstery, kind of vintage but cool. Power windows, power locks. You can see the door panels all in excellent shape. The dash pad's in excellent shape. It's not one of them glue-on caps. It's an actual soft dash pad. You got the dual fuel tank switch right here. Ashtray. It's got an upgraded stereo. The heater control panel looks real nice. The instrument panel's been replaced. A nice set of gauges. 4,355 miles on the truck since it's been done. These are called Syndicate Series gauges. We have a custom steering wheel. It is on a tilt column. Then down on the floor, it's the shift from two-wheel drive and four-wheel high and low. Carpet's been replaced. Now looking at the seat, it's all reupholstered. Got the vintage plaid material. We got retractable shoulder belts. We also have up above plaid headliner, LED light. So pretty nice interior. It's got some style as well. Now here's the motor compartment that is updated with a 6.0 fuel injected modern engine. Got custom wrapped cover on top. Factory air conditioning system. It's been upgraded with the newer Freon. Custom air intake tube. The radiator looks like it's new. And it has dual electric fans on the radiator. This motor came with the serpentine belt system. We got power steering. Those are Hooker exhaust manifolds. Power brakes. And here it's got a gel battery. Washer fluid bottle is hooked up. Under the hood has a new insulation mat. So it's a very clean, tidy engine compartment. Michael's going to show you how it drives.
This is a real truck. Got control of the road. Great feeling of dominance when you're cruising this thing. But with this big of a lift that's on here, I think it's a 7-inch. From my past experience, things can get really bouncy. And this car I've taken around the block. I think you guys can see back there on the road. Real nice and smooth over all the bumps and cracks. We're not shaking all over the place. It's got a really nice ride quality for being so high up. Let's see how she goes. That 0 to 60 is something. You can feel the pull, lots of torque, lots of horsepower. The fuel injected engine didn't miss a beat. And you can just see we're smooth sailing going over everything. So much fun to be up here. My last loop around, I pulled up next to a semi-truck, and you're basically at the level windows with the semi-truck, so that's really cool sensation. Come down, test drive it for yourself. You're absolutely going to love it. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
So underneath the truck is very clean as well. It's lifted high enough you can actually get a peek of it. It's got a nice cover on the front differential. I think it may have been body off restored actually. And then if you look in here in the wheel well, I'm told it's a 7-inch lift, and you can see the springs on there. They say rough country springs. It's a big heavy duty sway bar. Got braided stainless steel brake hoses. Some upgraded shocks. Bottom of the engine's painted nice and clean. But look how smooth and clean the frame is, and all the components are all real nice. The twin fuel tanks, one on each side. Real nice TIG welded stainless steel dual exhaust system with MagnaFlow mufflers. Gives it a nice sound and a real nice look. Everything's clean and tidy. It's a 4L80E overdrive automatic. Same thing back here, rough country springs, upgraded shocks, drive shaft's clean. It's got a Yukon cover on the back end there. And the floors, everything under here is really, really nice. You can see that for yourself. All right, well, you can go to volocars.com, and that's where you can talk to the salesman. They can answer all your questions, like how to get your 85 K10 delivered home, financing, insurance. That can all be arranged. So thanks for watching.